welcome to another video. Thank you so much to click on this video first of all, and again I'm shooting a study vlog because I was very busy and I want to be consistent on YouTube again. So I'm vlogging a study vlog today because it's a busy day today. So today is 22 January 2021. Today is Friday, and Fridays are usually most busy days in my life because first of all, Fridays are the end of the week, so I need to work and complete all my assignments till weekend so that I'm free on weekend and only what I do is study. So I need like all the assignments I should complete till Friday. So they are so busy because I need to study a lot on these days. And also guys, today is Friday, so Fridays are usually my YouTube shooting days something, because today I'm filming a video. Usually I videos on YouTube on Monday, as you know guys. So I need to shoot my videos till Friday or on Friday so that I can edit them on Saturday and Sunday and upload it on Monday for you guys. So today is also a filming day, so it's gonna be very interesting and busy day. And make sure to subscribe my channel and like this video. That's what I wanted to say. Let's start with this day. So yeah guys, make sure to come to the main topic. A lot of you guys ask me that what is the timetable which I use for my daily life. Being realistic, I don't have any timetable for daily. I keep changing my routines, and as being a human being, I know the person I am. I can't follow one single timetable for whole year or whole month. I can't do. I keep changing my routines, but what I do is I just have a study schedule. So this is something which looks like. So what I do here is I've written my weekdays like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then the subjects according to the days. Like on Monday, maths, SST, make notes, like that. So that's how I do my whole week. So I'm very excited today for this because also I'm shooting and also it's a busy day. So okay, today is Friday and I need to make notes today, and I have to do literature and then I also maths. So there are three things we have to do today: make notes, literature, and maths. Okay, we'll complete this today. I literally forgot vlogging. After so many days I'm vlogging, so I literally forgot how to hold camera. As you can see, I'm very uncomfortable today with holding this camera, but okay. So let's start today's day with some productive things. And yeah guys, I'll be keep updating you what I'm doing. And yeah guys, love you. Guys, a quick update to you. I'm currently gonna do my English homework because I got my English homework right now, and it's 11 right now, and I think I will take almost 1-2 hours to complete my homework. So yeah, this is a quick update. Now I'm going to do my English homework, and let me meet you after. I am back with another update. So I have just completed with my English homework, and after that I have also attended my second online classes, which I didn't shoot because I'm crazy. I know that because I forgot I was vlogging. But okay, leave it. Now I'm going to I'm gonna practice maths, and I have a tip for you guys. Maths is something which is sometimes very boring, but personally, being realistic, it's very interesting subject. I love maths actually, and maths is not a hard subject. If you are almost giving 1 hour maths daily, 1 hour, so you will get a lot of good marks for maths. So just like 1 hour for maths daily, that's enough for it. It doesn't want a lot of time. It will take only 1 hour daily, and it's the best subject if you will do like this. So you'll get a lot of good marks, and it's interesting. keep in your mind whenever you're doing math, sometimes we are very confused in the formulas. So I do one thing, you can also do this, it's very productive if you do this. So what I do whenever I start my maths, I revise all my formulas which is in this file, and after revising all these formulas then I start the chapter. So it's more convenient to learn, because if you are revising it like once in a week also, you're giving a time to formulas, you can learn all the formulas. By the way, formulas are, but still if you're giving like revising formulas before doing the chapter, it will be much more productive and you'll get much more good marks if you want. So yeah guys, sorry for interrupting in between, but yeah. So guys, another update, just ignore messy background. So guys, it's currently 8 o'clock and I've just completed with my dinner, and now I'm going to study. So as I have completed my maths, now we have to do notes, sorry, I have to make notes, and also I have to do literature, Hindi, English both. So first of all, let's make notes and then we'll do literature, Hindi and English both. So yeah guys. So guys, one more thing I want to tell you. I have cleaned everything right here except these books because I'm gonna study. And also I'm not gonna study on my desk right there. I'm not gonna study there. Actually, I'm gonna study on this. This is my bed desk. You have to just open it like this and gonna study on this. So actually usually when it's night time, I don't study on my desk because, can you see, I will feel very cold there and I don't want to get up out of my bed, but still we need to study yaar. So that's why I'm gonna study at my bed. That's what I wanted to say. So don't feel lazy about. Actually, you should not study on your bed because you feel sleepy on your bed, but still we're gonna be doing that. Okay, let us study. Let's make notes of SST. I finally get to know that I'm gonna make history notes today. A lot of you guys also ask me that how I take my notes, so I've already made a video on that which is on my channel guys. So that video will be linked in the description, go and watch it. And but before complete this video, then go and watch that video because you need to increase my watch time duration guys. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna study and let me meet you after my watch time duration. Guys, as you have seen, I've completed with my notes. The only thing which is left right now is literature. So let's complete literature, Hindi and English both. And yeah guys, it's currently 11 and I need to complete it till 12 almost because I have to sleep till midnight guys. So yeah guys, let me meet you after that.